Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be a medium difficulty repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 30 to 40 minutes to complete the repair. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install. To complete this repair, you will need a lock plate tool. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Begin the installation by removing the steering wheel horn pad. Horn pads vary among vehicle applications and are not displayed in this video. Continue to remove the screws underneath the pad. Remove steering wheel nut and retainer. Be sure to mark the position of the steering wheel in relation to the steering shaft to maintain proper orientation for reassembly. Then, remove the steering wheel. Next, use a lock plate tool to relieve plate tension. Then, pull off snap ring. Do not lose, you will need for reinstallation. Loosen compression tool back off plate. Remove the cover, locking plate, and canceling cam. Then, remove the hazard switch knob. Continue to remove hazard switch retaining screws and remove hazard switch. Please note, during reinstallation, the grooves on the hole on locking plate have specific spacing that will correspond with the splines on steering shaft. Press lock cylinder release tab and rotate lock cylinder to off position to remove. Once loose, pull lock cylinder from column. Finally, follow steps in reverse order for installation of new ignition lock cylinder.